Hi, this is Javin Kharur, chemical engineer by profession, going to conduct our today's topic, hydrotreating. Now, what is that? Hydrotreating process are becoming increasingly important as refinery work to meet more environmental guidelines. Most of product, crude and vacuum distillation, refinery contain significant amount of sulfur that must be removed prior to further processing use. Hydrotreating, hydrodesulfurization refers at operation that remove sulfur and other impurities. During hydrotreating, crude oil cut, they are selectively reacted with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst, relative high temperature and moderate pressure. The process converts undesired aromatic olefin, nitrogen, metal, organic sulfur compound in the stabilized product. Hydrotreated cuts are required additional process to meet final product specification. Why hydrotreatment necessary? Petroleum refinery, crude oil in the useful fuel and product while satisfying technical government and safety requirement. In addition, they must comply environment policy increasing limit amount of sulfur and other fuel. Hydrotreatment process reduce impurity content of petroleum product which increase efficiency, fuel and reduce production harmful combustion byproduct NOx and SOx. Hydrotreatment also help to satisfy final product specification. Contaminant affect performance, downstream unit operation, catalyst and even engine. One of the most common issue, nickel catalyst poisoning sulfur, which chemical in catalyst bed. Now hydrotreatment. In efficient method, remove several compounds, include sulfur, most critical compound to remove it present nearby, all crude oil, feedstock, sulfur, mercaptan, sulfide, disulfide, polysulfide and thiophene. Nitrogen is typical treated hydrogen gas and transformed into ammonia gas. Oxygen is reacted, hydrogen, eliminate water. Most of oxygen distillation cut is not present as oxygen gas but bonded to hydrocarbon. Olefin are volatile unstable, they are not desirable in fuel. Olefin are transformed into stable paraffinic hydrocarbon. Metal are removed because they deposit on catalyst and in engine. The basic of hydrotreating. The common assumed hydrotreating process, single unit operation that convert all raw feed in the final desulfurized product. However, it is not case. Most hydrotreatment process required many unit operation include reactor, gas separator, separation column, heat exchanger. The process divide three main processing block, heat exchange network, reactor, the actual hydrotreating take place and stripping where desulfurized product stream separated from the volatile gases and impurity. Each hydrotreated unit tell feedstock and product for intents. The process hydrotreatment naphtha is not same as process diesel fuel. Most common cut are hydrotreated refinery, light naphtha, heavy naphtha, jet fuel, kerosene, diesel oil, light and heavy coker diesel oil, feed, first pressurize, mix with recycle and make up hydrogen stream. Mixture is heated 290 to 430 degrees centigrade before entering the fixed bed reactor which operate 7 to 180 bar higher temperature and pressure use the processing heavier feedstock such diesel oil. Overall, hydrotreated temperature are relatively moderate. They avoid thermal cracking. Module being high enough to enable reaction feedstock. Inside fixed bed reactor, hydrolysis and mild hydrocracking reaction take place that convert sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, other contaminant hydrogen in the reactor. Crucible design consideration greatly affect the final product. Sulfur removal is primary goal. Cobalt, molybdenum, catalyst are favored. Crude oil is relatively low in sulfur. Nitrogen removal become the priority. Nickel molybdenum catalysts are chosen depending condition and composition outlet stream. Byproducts are either discarded, recycled and sent for further treatment. Most outlet stream undergo further treatment. Now environmental impact and recover material use sour gas which contain hydrocarbon, carbon dioxide, significant amount hydrogen sulfide, commonly sent the ammonia gas treating unit, separate hydrocarbon gases in hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide. During amine treatment, carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide are absorbed amine solution in absorption unit. Now producing sweet gas and amine rich stream, amine rich mixture pumped to a description unit where it is recovered lean amine and recycled. The final product stream is desulfurized product fuel commonly called sweet gas. Now hydrogen gas is one of the most important element production of the desulfurized fuel. Hydrotreatment, hydrogen stream must extremely pure, greater than 99%, have humidity. The stream should low hydrogen content as well, mercaptant and hydrogen sulfide level less than 0.1%, about 15 to 30%. Hydrogen demand refinery is produced internally, process catalytic reforming naphtha, rest of supply, external procedure, industries use variety term of hydrogen depend on how it is produced. Now, hydrogen produced are brown hydrogen, grey hydrogen, blue hydrogen, turquoise hydrogen, green hydrogen that are. Now, what is function of hydrotreater? Removal of impurity. The primary function of hydrotreating is to eliminate sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, metal, petroleum fraction, sulfur in particular, major concern due to its contribution, air pollution and acid rain. What are difference between hydrotreating and hydrodesulfurization? By removing impurity, hydrotreating enhances stability, color and odor of fuel, making them suitable commercial use. Hydrodesulfurization is the special track. Hydrotreating focus sulfur removal, petroleum fraction. Now hydrotreatment process are take place. Hydrotreating unit, which are specialized reactor system, handle specific feedstock. The process can broken down several key steps. Feedstock preparation. Feedstock mix with hydrogen. Mixture is fed into hydrotreating reactor. Catalyst reaction. Inside the reactor, feedstock come contact with catalyst. Compare and compose metal, cobalt, molybdenum, nickel supported alumina. Catalyst facilitate chemical reaction and impurity in feedstock. Sulfur compound are converted hydrogen sulfide. Nitrogen compound are transformed ammonia. Oxygen content compound are turned into water and metal are trapped with catalyst, remove solid residue. Separation and purification. After the reaction mixture exit, reactor cooled, treated feedstock, then separate gaseous byproduct, hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, high pressure separator. Hydrogen sulfide is typical sand sulfur recovery unit. The produce elemented sulfur, while ammonia is removed, water washing and other method. The hydrogen rich gas separator are recycled back, process, improve efficiency and reduce cost by remaining impurity. Gas are removed before reuse. Now hydrotreating is important. Hydrotreating are modern refinery because removal impurity primary function is eliminate sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen and metal petroleum fraction. Sulfur is particular major concern due to its contribution air pollution and acid rain. By remove the impurity, hydrotreating ensure compliances environmental regulation as production ultra low sulfur diesel which less than 15 part per million sulfur content. Now, improvement product quality. Hydrotreating enhance stability, purity, performance, refined product. For example, treated naphtha is key feedstock, catalyst reformer. It is converted high octane gasoline. Similar hydrotreated diesel exhibit better combustion property, reducing engine wear and emission. Environmental benefit by produce clear fuel, hydrotreating significant reduce emission of harmful pollutant including sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide. This align global effort to combat climate change and improve air quality. Economic value. Hydrotreatment add economic value, refined product, making them more marketable. Additional lifespan refinery equipment, preventing corrosion and fouling caused by impurity. What are products of hydrotreating? It is first, treated naphtha, second, ultra low sulfur diesel, third, jet fuel, and other product hydrotreating are liquefied petroleum gas, hydrogen rich off gas, and later can recycle, refinery support, other process hydrocracking. Byproduct. If we compare byproduct, then the process generate byproduct elemented sulfur and ammonia, which are further processed sold the industrial use. Example, sulfur is a key raw material, sulfuric acid production. Now, type of hydrotreating unit in refinery. First, naphtha hydrotreating unit. Naphtha hydrotreating unit are specialized design naphtha, light petroleum fraction, deliver distillation. Naphtha is critical feedstock, gasoline and high value petrochemical. Primary purpose, remove impurity, sulfur, nitrogen, olefin can negatively impact downstream process and product quality. Now key function, remove sulfur compound, prevent catalyst poisoning, catalyst reformer, eliminate nitrogen, oxygen compound that could degrade product stability. Now application, treated naphtha, catalytic reformer where it is converted high octane gasoline component. It can feedstock stream cracker petrochemical production. Naphtha hydrotreating unit answer feedstock meet straight purity requirement downstream process. The production cleaner and high performance gasoline. Diesel hydrotreater. Diesel hydrotreater are critical modern refinery where diesel hydrotreating essential meeting environment regulation. It is mandate extremely low sulfur transportation with fuel, typical below 15 part per million as we earlier discussed. Key function, remove sulfur compound, include refractory sulfur that are difficult to eliminate, reduce nitrogen and aromatic content, improve combustion property of diesel, enhance stability, storage life of fuel gas. Now, it's important. Diesel hydrotreater play vital role reducing air pollution, minimize sulfur oxide, which are harmful human health, environment. They also ensure compliance global fuel standard, Euro 6 and Tier 3 regulations. Full range hydrotreater. Full range hydrotreater is a versatile unit capable producing wide variety feedstock, include naphtha, kerosene and diesel. Flexibility, invaluable, diverse product, sales processing, different type of crude oil, treated feedstock. Subsequently, depend on refinery need, remove sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen and metal, various petroleum fraction, produce high quality, intermediate product, their processing final use. Treated naphtha, catalytic reforming and petrochemical production, process kerosene to produce jet fuel, improve combustion characteristic, upgrade diesel feedstock, meet specification. Now full range hydrotreater, operational flexibility, refinery adopt the changing market demand, feedstock availability, streamline operation, multiple treatment process, single unit, reducing capital cost and operational cost. Kerosene hydrotreater, which not always standard one unit. Kerosene hydrotreating is often performed in dedicated section, low full range hydrotreater, specialized unit, primary goal, produce high quality jet fuel and kerosene for lighting and heating. Key function, remove sulfur and nitrogen compound, meet aviation fuel specification, reduce aromatic content, improve combustion efficiency and reduce emission, enhance the thermal stability, jet fuel, critical high temperature operation for aircraft engine, produce jet fuel for commercial and military aviation, supply kerosene for household industrial use. Important, kerosene hydrotreater are performance aviation fuel which must meet rigorous international standard. It support production, clearer burning kerosene and other applications. Vacuum gas oil hydrotreater. Vacuum gas oil hydrotreater process. Feedstock, vacuum gas oil which derive vacuum distillation crude oil unit often integrated hydrocracking unit produce high lighter, more valuable product. Its key function, remove sulfur, nitrogen and matter from heavy feedstock, Prepare vacuum gas oil. Further processing hydrocracker include catalytic cracker. Convert heavy hydrocarbon into lighter, more useful product. Application produce feedstock, diesel, jet fuel, gasoline production, supply raw material, lubricant base oil, and other specific product. Now important vacuum gas oil hydrotreater minimize value of heavy feedstock, convert them high demand product. They also play crucible role integrated refining process, enhance overall refinery and efficiency. Residue hydrotreater. Residue hydrotreater design heaviest, most challenging feedstock. Atmospheric residue, vacuum residue, unit are essential, upgrading bottom barrel material unstable product. Remove sulfur, nitrogen, metal, residue feedstock, convert heavy hydrocarbon, lighter fraction, such as diesel and naphtha. Reduce production, low value byproduct like coke, heavy fuel oil. Produce lighter product, such as refinery, direct use. Supply feedstock, advanced conversion process, such as delay coking, fish breaking. Residue hydrocracker enable refinery process heavier, low quality crude oil, improve profitability, resources utilization, produce the production, cleaner fuel, challenging feedstock. Now challenge of future trend hydrotreating, high octane cost. The process consumes significant amount hydrogen, which can expensive produce purchase, additional catalyst require, periodic regeneration and replacement, adding operational expenses. Catalyst deactivation. Overall time catalyst loss, effectiveness due to fouling poison impurity, manage catalyst life, key challenging refinery operation. Now hydrotreating industries challenges adopt changing market demand, include develop more efficient and durable catalyst and integration of renewable fuel production such as hydrotreated vegetable oil, adaptation to enhance the process control, technology, optimize performance and reduce cost. Now summary, hydrotreating is the concept modern refinery produce high quality environment friendly fuel by remove impurity and enhance production performance. Hydrotreating unit includes naphtha, hydrotreating unit, diesel hydrotreater play a vital role meeting both regulatory requirement, consume expectation. The industrial innovation, catalyst renewable, fuel integration process, optimization, onshore hydrotreating remain key driver. Sustainability, efficiency, refinery sector through economic, environment benefit, hydrotreating continue. Underscore its important and global energy. Okay, guys, this is up to for today's topic, hydrotreating. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching this video. Next Sunday, we have covered some another chemical engineering topics. Till then, goodbye. Do take good care of yourself.